Struggling to create interactive content that actually converts? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to pick the right Outgrow template, personalize it in minutes, and publish it live so you can start generating leads without the tech headaches. Building calculators, quizzes, or assessments from scratch can take hours, or worse, they end up looking generic. What good looks like is this: a template that already has the right structure, designed for your industry, with best practices built in. You simply customize the content, hit publish, and you're ready to capture leads. Outgrow makes that possible with over 1,000 plus proven templates. Marketers using Outgrow's templates report up to 82% faster launch times and 2 times higher engagement rates compared to static landing pages. One SaaS team we spoke with launched a pricing calculator in just one afternoon, and it instantly became their top converting asset. So now let's deep dive in our Outgrow templates on how to pick, personalize, and publish. Step 1, pick. From your Outgrow's website, head to templates. You'll see categories like finance, SaaS, healthcare, real estate, and more. Each template is optimized for a specific use case, say an ROI calculator, an assessment quiz, or a product recommender. Let's pick a lead qualification quiz. Step 2, personalize. Once inside, you can easily tweak the questions, adjust the logic, and match it to your brand. Add your logo, swap colors, change fonts, all drag and drop, no coding. Want to qualify leads? Add branching logic so high-intent users get routed straight to your sales team. Step 3, publish. Finally, hit publish. Outgrow provides multiple publishing options embedded on your website, share a standalone URL, or even integrate it into email and social media. In just 3 steps, pick, personalize, and publish, you can turn an idea into a conversion-ready experience. No devs, no delays, just results. Try Outgrow templates today and see how fast you can launch your next interactive asset.